Morning students. Today we will start with a new chapter, that is section formula. This is a part of distance section and distance formula that we have done in class 9. This is also a same this formula you have done that time also. Now we'll be going for the more deeply we'll go for the questions. Now today in this section formula, what I have drawn, see one line I have drawn over here, A to B, and here it is given what C is the point. Clear? These are on basis of the coordinates. These are the written m and n, these are the ratio. Then from here, this is also coordinates, this is also coordinates. What I've written, the coordinates of A is what? x1, y1, B is x2 and y2, and the C, the coordinates we don't know, I've written x and y. Now from here, the ratio is given what? M is to n. Now what is the formula? The coordinates of C, what I can write down? M into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n. And y also m into y2 plus n into y1 by m plus n. This formula to learn. Okay, now we come for the midpoint formula. The same part, see A and B are written here, we are written the point is P. Midpoint means what? Our line, which midpoint is having what? Our line is divided equally. So written AP is to BP, what will be the ratio? Definitely the 1:1, as written, see, as midpoint divide a line equally in ratio. Then from here I've written the midpoint, the coordinates of P. This will be the coordinates of P, x1 plus x2. That, see, the value of am and n is both are value is 1. That means I have not written anything. Directly you can use this formula only, x1 plus x2 by m plus n, y1 plus y2 plus m plus n. Okay. Next we come for, see, centroid of a triangle. What is centroid of a triangle? We know that the centroid of a triangle is what? That median, that in a triangle, when the median, all the medians are intersecting in one point, that point we can call as centroid. The centroid is written over here is in the form of G. Then AG is to GD. We know that this line is dividing the ratio is 2:1. Then from here I've written what? See, x, the formula will be x1 x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the formula of the only case of centroid of a triangle. Only case of centroid of a triangle. Okay, next we come across one question I'll take today. Okay, I'll make you understand from this exercise question only. See what I've written. Divide, P divides the distance between A and B in the ratio 2:1. Calculate the coordinates of P. See that, first of all you try to draw the diagram. Simple diagram, draw one line. Okay, the ratio is this 2:1 given, and the coordinates of A and B are written, see, -2 -1, and this is 1 and 4. What is given over here only? I've written, see, m is to n is to 2:1. Then what do you have to find out the coordinates of P? They have told to find out the coordinates of P. They written the formula, that formula only. See, now I've just substitute the value. You have to, when you putting the value, you have to be very much attentive while you are putting the value. That means you have to substitute the value of m and x2 and y x21. Then from here I have substituted the value. See, now what it came, see, 2 into 1, m is what? 2, ratio is 2, x2 is what? 1. The 2 into 1 plus 1 into -2, 1 into -2. Clear? Now from here m is what? 2, y2 is what? 4 plus m into y1, n into y1, n is what? 1, y1 is also 1, written 1 into 1, and the ratio is 2 plus 1. See, now came what? 2 minus 2 is by 3, that is 0 by 3. It is coming 9 by 3, cancelling out. What you have got? 0, 3. This is the final answer for this particular question, that is the coordinates of P. Now from here we will take one more example, one more question from the exercises. See what is given. The midpoint of the line segment joining the points, this much and this one, the coordinates given is this one. This is the midpoint value given. Now find the values of m and n. Now from here the ratio will be 1:1. If it is given midpoint, you don't think of the midpoint part. What is the ratio? What kind of the thing will be getting? Then from here what you did, coordinates of P, this will be R, coordinates of R. Clear? The coordinates of R is given x1. We know the formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 by y2 by 2. Now from here I put the value with the coordinates of I have written what over here only. Now from here this is also x, this is also y, this is x, this is also y. Now from here compare with this x and with the coordinates of this particular x written over here. See, this 2 will come here and the value of m is coming what? See, 2. Clear? Now again we compare this value coordinates with the midpoint coordinates of the r. The 2m minus 1 equals to this one. So written over here only. That will be 2m. Clear? Then from here 2m minus 1 equals to 6 plus 3n by 2. Thus these are cross multiplied this one. Again what is coming? 4m minus 2 equals to 6 minus n. Now what I've written, see, putting the value of m, I've done in the here only the value of m. I've just substitute the value of m in this equation. Now from here we are getting the value of n equals to what? 0. Then the final answer is m is 2 and n is 0. I hope you have understood this chapter. You learn the formula. Without that formula you will not be able to solve also, and try to learn the distance formula that we have done in class 9. You open your class 9 book, from there also you learn the formula that will also require in these exercises to do the sums more easily. Okay, I hope you have understood, and keep your work doing on time. Don't keep your work pending. These are things every day I am repeating. This must be going to your head. The sir, what sir has told, you have to listen, not me. All the teachers, what they are doing, you have to follow that one. Okay, stay safe, stay home, have a good day, bye.